Children, welcome to English class. Hope all are fine and doing good. In previous class, we have studied singular and plural forms, no children. So today, we continue the same grammar book, lesson 7. Okay, open your grammar book, lesson 7, possessives. See the heading of the lesson from the grammar book. 7th lesson, possessives. Page number 22. Okay, children. The possessive form is used with nouns referring to people, groups of people. It shows a relationship of belonging between one thing and another to form possessive. Add apostrophe plus s to the noun. Okay. Add apostrophe plus s to the noun. Look at the sentence below. See the first sentence, children. Hari has curly hair. Hari has curly hair. So what is a possessive sentence? How we have to write? Hari's curly hair looks nice. See, Hari's apostrophe plus s. Okay? Hari's curly hair looks nice. These books belong to Tina. These books belong to Tina. These are Tina's books. See, Tina's apostrophe place. These are Tina's books. Lucky has a pet dog. This is Lucky's dog. Lucky's dog. See the Lucky's spelling there? Apostrophe place S. Lucky's dog. Dhruv has a yellow shirt. Dhruv's shirt is yellow. Dhruv's shirt is yellow. Apostrophe place S. We use S to show belongingness. Turn the page. See here, children. See the heading. Put S to show belongingness. First has been done for you. Resha has a new lunch box. Resha's new lunch box. Resha's apostrophe place S. Okay. Mohan has a pet dog. Mohan's pet dog. Mohan's. Write Mohan spelling apostrophe place S. Mohan's pet cat. Mohan's pet cat. Kiran has an uncle. Kiran's uncle. Kiran's apostrophe place S. Kiran's uncle. Sam has a blue pen. Sam's blue pen. Sam's blue pen. Apostrophe plus S. Sam's blue pen. Pinky has a doll. Pinky's doll. Apostrophe plus S. Pinky's doll. Once again, I'll read out. See, Mohan has a pet cat. Mohan's pet cat. Kiran has an uncle. Kiran's uncle. Sam has a blue pen. Sam's blue pen. Pinky has a doll. Pinky's doll. See, next exercise. Use S and write down 5 things that your friends have. So this is homework for your children. Okay. This one you only should write. Okay. Use S and write down 5 things that your friends have. See here, for example, Mary's dress. Mary's dress. And you can write 5 more examples here, like Ravi's pencils, Sita's bag, like that. Okay? Any 5 you have to write here. That is homework for your children. Okay? So turn the page. Fill the blanks using S with the names of the person or animal to which the thing belongs. The dash diary is on the table. The words are given in the bracket. With the help of those words, we have to write in the blank. Okay. The dash diary is on the table. So what we have to write for teacher, we have to add apostrophe plus s. Okay, understood? The teacher's diary is on the table. The teacher's diary is on the table. Okay. See the second sentence. The dash ears are very big. What is there in the bracket? Elephant. So what we have to write in the blank? Elephants. The elephant's ears are very big. Elephants. Apostrophe plus S. The dancers. The dash costume was beautiful. The dash costume was beautiful. What is there in the bracket? Dancer. Dancer. So what we have to write in the blank? Dancers. Dancer apostrophe S. Dancer's costume was beautiful. The dash wings are colorful. The dash wings are colorful. What is there in the bracket? Butterfly. What we have to write in the blank? Butterflies. Butterfly apostrophe S. Butterflies' wings are colorful. So children, observe here why we are putting that apostrophe, because the particular person, the particular thing, the particular animal we are mentioning here. So that's why we have to put apostrophe plus S. Okay. My dash house is huge. What is there in the bracket? Uncle. So, my uncle's house is huge. Particular uncle. No. My uncle's. See, if we say uncle's without apostrophe, if we write S means any uncle. No. So, if we put apostrophe plus S means particular uncle. His uncle. No. My uncle's house is huge. Uncle's apostrophe S. Okay. See, Ram is wearing his dash shirt. What is there in the bracket? Father. See, Ram is wearing his father's shirt. Father's means his father. No, his father's shirt. The shirt is that shirt belongs to his father. So that's apostrophe S. Ram is wearing his father's shirt. His father's shirt. Okay. Apostrophe plus S. The dash milk is good for our health. The dash milk is good for us. What is there in the bracket? Cow. The cow's milk is good for our health. Cows. Apostrophe plus S. Okay. The cow's milk is good for our health. This is my dash car. What is there in the bracket? Neighbor. This is my neighbor's car. Apostrophe plus S. Dash pet dog is very naughty. What is there in the bracket? Hitesh. Hitesh pet dog is very naughty. Hitesh. Hitesh spelling apostrophe plus S. Okay. This is the dash coat. What is there in the bracket? Doctor. This is the doctor's coat. DOCTORS. Doctor's coat. See, again, we'll read out the sentences. The teacher's diary is on the table. The elephant's ears are very big. The dance costume was beautiful. The butterfly's wings are colorful. My uncle's house is huge. Ram is wearing his father's shirt. The cow's milk is good for our health. This is my neighbor's car. Hitesh pet dog is very naughty. This is the doctor's coat. Once again I'll read out. Okay? You also read along with me. The teacher's diary is on the table. The elephant's ears are very big. The dancer's costume was beautiful. The butterfly's wings are colorful. My uncle's house is huge. Ram is wearing his father's shirt. The cow's milk is good for our health. This is my neighbor's car. Hitesh pet dog is very naughty. This is the doctor's coat. Okay, children? Did you understand what are the possessive? Possessives means apostrophe place S. Apostrophe place S. Okay. Adding apostrophe place S are possessives. Hope you understood what are the possessives. Okay, children? So homework I gave this page number 23. Okay? Any 5 examples you write. One example is given for you. Mary is dressed like that. Any 5 more examples you have to write. Okay, children? So that's all for today. Take care, children. Be happy. Love you all. God bless you all. Thank you.